New twist in this case. The ED has found evidence of financial benefits reaching Riya Chakravarti and her family. The benefits received are to the tune of over ₹1 crore. The ED is also trying to investigate whether Riya and her family received any other hidden benefits. Meanwhile, Sushant's sister Priyanka Singh is currently giving her statement in Delhi's ED office. Ashish Maharishi is joining us from Delhi for more on that. So is Nitisha Kashyap, both of them tracking these developments in Delhi very closely. Priyanka, the sister, Ashish, of Sushant Singh Rajput, is recording her statement with the ED. Meanwhile, there is this conversation about transfer of ₹1 crore benefits to that tune to Riya Chakravarti and her family. What more can you tell us about this amount as well?
Well, Sneha, Riya and Sushant Singh Rajput came in touch with each other in around 2018. And since they had a relationship in 2 years' time, Sushant Singh Rajput has spent around ₹1 crore on Riya Chakravarti. It's not like ₹1 crore transfer from one bank account to another bank account. It is not like that. It is ₹1 crore have been spent, which includes foreign travel, which includes her stay in hotels. It includes her, Sushant Singh Rajput buying clothes, buying makeup, and various other expenditure. But, as far as the benefit goes, yes, we can confirm from our sources that around ₹1 crore have been spent on on Riya Chakravarti and her family members by Sushant Singh Rajput to a tune of ₹1 crore. But the allegation is of ₹15 crore, and the other allegation is whether he was duped over a period of time by Riya Chakravarti and her family members. That is where the PMLA case will stand. Now here the Enforcement Directorate is trying to find out, even if it is ₹1 crore, whether Sushant Singh Rajput was duped by Riya Chakravarti over a period of time, yes or a no. So that is where the Enforcement Directorate investigation is happening as of now. Riya Chakravarti's sister, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Priyanka, is giving her statement in Delhi. Enforcement Directorate is ensuring that certain members of Sushant Singh Rajput's statement is recorded in Delhi, so that there is no fear or pressure of being in Mumbai or in Maharashtra. And that is why, if you remember, Sushant Singh Rajput's father a few days back gave a statement before the Enforcement Directorate in Delhi, and now Priyanka Singh is giving her statement as of now.
That's right. Be with us also. Nitisha is getting us more details on that. So far, Nitisha, take us through about the manner in which the ED has gone about the investigations, in the sense they have in fact in Mumbai also questioned Riya Chakravarti on a number of occasions, including some of her family members, including her brother. What has the ED found as of now, given the fact that the allegation from the family is clear that there's been money that has been swindled?
Well, yes, if we talk about the money transaction and what the ED has found, of course, the ED has on many occasions, ED summoned Riya Chakravarti and her family members. They all have appeared before the ED. In fact, initially there was some resentment because initially Riya Chakravarti, through her lawyer, had requested the ED to postpone the questioning, but that did not happen. And she was called for questioning, and each time she has appeared, she is saying that she is cooperating with the agency, along with questioning the accused side. Why we are saying accused side? Because if we talk about the family has alleged strong allegations against Riya and her family members, saying that there was a huge transaction that has taken place from Sushant Singh Rajput's account to Riya Chakravarti's in different manner, as Ashish was explaining. Not just that, if we talk about on the side of the family side, what the ED has done, of course, as Ashish was saying, that apart from recording the statement of the father, now today ED is recording the statement of Sushant's sister Priyanka, and they are recording the statement. They have also taken in account the bank details of both Riya Chakravarti and her family members, and Sushant Singh Rajput's account detail as well. Having said that, the CBI is also doing a parallel investigation, although the CBI's investigation is not just restricted to the money transaction, but to to check whether there is any criminality involved in the financial transaction and whether the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is associated with any of these, or whether it is an abetment or murder as claimed by the family members, or it is a simple case of death by hanging of Sushant Singh Rajput. A team of CBI from the Delhi headquarters has already reached Mumbai, and they have already started their investigation in Mumbai.
All right. Be with us, Nitisha. Also, Ashish, we'll just come back to you all in a bit from now.